In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hassan Raza. Well, I am representing Baraku campus. Today, I would like to thank all of you who participate such a gorgeous event, who organize Nicon organization. I am so honored to be here, that I am here with my admirable brothers, sisters, and estimable seniors. Today I am going to say you about my charismatic, illustrious personality, one and only Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The monumental thing is that, who is Iqbal? Yes, a man who had generosity, a man who had compassion, a man who had loyalty, and who was trustworthy. Doubtless he was an optimistic and extrovert person, and the thing is that he wrote lots of books and poetry to survive in this world, and this called like such a gorgeous things in our society. Certainly he was a visionary person. He persuaded Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah to lead the nation, as well as prodigious passions. From people's perspective, he had an intellectual mind and visionary person. Although after his immense struggle, finally we had got a super idyllic country, a land where we had liberty of expression, a land where we had idyllic people, and a land where we had super ideas, and that land was very peaceful and tranquility. But now today, we are in this very crucial time. Why? Just because we are not following the vision of Iqbal. We have lost our legacy, we have lost our pride, we have lost our identity. But I am rest assured, one day we will bring it once again if we will again follow his vision with the enthusiastically and vigorously. Thanks a lot.